purely 2 kilometers. So, as individual winner sila. So, si
Alfreds, yes.
tuloy-tuloy yung
Gaano kakabilis dun sa 2 km when we are talking about this 2XU speed series? Anong bilis mo doon?
Bali sa start namin is start muna ako ng around 250 first kilometer ko, and then
2 minutes and
50 seconds.
50.
Yeah,
Okay.
nag-control ako sa first kilometer, and then sa pagpabalik, alam ko na yung ruta, naka-break away kagad ako na ginawa ko ng 2 minutes and 40 seconds yung last kilometer. Kaya
Total?
total of
5?
5:48.
5:48.
Yeah.
Is this a good time, Alan?
It's really a good time considering that there's a lot of runners around you. So it's actually a challenge because the thing with the city, may mga kasama silang runner. So a good thing about nangyari sa city is that all the normal runners, nakita nila kung how fast are the elite talaga. So
Elite. Yeah, so si Alfreds is the champion for elite in that first leg. How about Dan, AJ? Dan, anong division mo or category mo?
Same po kami ng category.
Yes. You finished anong placing kay Alfreds?
Behind 8 seconds po.
Oh, you have 8 seconds. Exciting pala yung naging bakbakan mo. So how was it, yung performance doing this kind of race?
Okay naman. Nabili ko din yung 100% ng lakas ko.
Yes. Okay, and then si Edna, ikaw, kumusta naman? Ikaw yung champion ng Women Elite? Yes. Anong clocking?
Kasi po, yung photometer po, 6 minutes.
6 minutes? Not bad, ano? Ilan lang ang difference to our friends, Alan? Nung 6 minutes ng Women Elite, parang bilis mo, ha? Anong difference? Di ba? Wala 1 minute.
mga 50 seconds.
50 seconds. So, sobrang bilis. For a lady. Di ba? Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Okay, isa na lang. Ang friends, gaano kaiba itong speed series kaysa dun sa regular na takbo mo, middle distance ka, no? Anong event mo sa athletics?
1500s po, 1.5.
Oh, 1.5. Tapos ito, 2 km, pero di ba, ibang klase yung pagtakbo niya. Okay.
Bali, ibang-iba po siya sa event ko na 1500s kasi yung 1500s masukat mo talaga, maalam talaga yung
Pacing.
ikot, tapos kung ilang laps. Yung sa kilometer kasi hindi mo ma-estimate yung pacing kasi muron sa road, kaya hindi mo talaga din yung pace na isa mo po yung goal mo na pacing kasi hindi mo yung lakas mo kasi sa oval makuha mo yung per lap mo eh. Yun yung kaibahan sa road. At saka challenge din talaga na yung 2 kilometer kasi doon mo talaga masubukan kung hanggang saan kaya mo. Tulad sa
Alan, anong at stake dito? Meron tayong mga local speed series na ito. Sa mga nananalo na ito, meron ba silang international, Asian level, o world level na pwede puntahan?
Yes, actually our long-term plan by Asia series. So this will also be powered by 2 show. So we still have discussion about this. Pero yun yung big plan. We will have to compete them with the Southeast Asian. Tapos one more thing pala. During the speed series city, we had one category na relay. It's really exciting. So, a 2-kilometer run, we have a team of 4. So they have around 500 meters each. So, yun din yung napansin ng mga well-known brand and other running enthusiasts. It's really exciting, like yung relay. So that's one more focus also ng speed series that we will have in every event, we will have a relay. Can I introduce one guest? We have a coach who's gonna handle the technical.
sige.
Sir,
Okay. So,
Coach, can we join the coach?
mag-join si Coach. Isa po sa mga
Tama.
Guest pa natin.
Coach,
Okay, so please introduce yourself sa mga coaches.
Hi, good afternoon. Good morning. No? So I'm Coach Worship Acosta. So I'm also actually I was the tournament director for the UAAP of season 88. So for basketball and volleyball. So I've also helped we coordinated with the brand also, so we'll be able to make this event. So congratulations to all of us also for the successful event.
May we know your complete name?
I am Coach Worship Acosta.
Worship of one again, most probably. Anyway, God bless you. So, Coach Worship, could you give us a overall of the first leg? Where was it held? Anong routes saan sila dumaan sa Makati?
Yeah. So the first leg was done in Ayala Triangle. So we started in the dome, yun sa may corner ng Ayala Avenue. So we held the first, the whole 2 kilometer from that sa may dome mismo. Then coming to yung sa may Villa Rufino, papunta dun sa end, nag-U-turn sila. And then another straight yun, and then going back, nag-U-turn ulit to Makati Avenue. And the start and end finish is the same spot.
For the listeners, by the way. Kaya on Sundays, Ayala Avenue is closed to traffic. It's an
Yes.
cars Sunday. So that's why you were able to open. So tapos ilan pong participants sa worship? Coach worship. How many participants? These are the winners, individual winners. Pero ilan po ang total participants po yung natin race?
Well, the registrant reached around 400 plus, but
Geez.
well, we're still proud because yung mga pupunta is that we're mag-up ng mga athletes,
Opo.
mga performance-based talaga ng mga atleta. So, yung purpose talaga nung event, na-serve naman na we wanna focus more on performance.
Ano mga events nila? Ikaw 1-5, anong event mo? Ano? 1-5, ikaw isip na. Sa athletics.
Thousands de coaches.
3,000 meters steeplechase. Okay, we've been talking about the speed series. Basically, what is this is also two pickpocket.
2 times you.
2 times 2. What is 2 times 2? Sir,
Well, 2 times you is a brand. It's a performance. They started as a compression apparel.
okay.
I think it's popular on triathletes before, but now they evolve not just for the triathletes, but full athletes, but they're really technical in their products. So 2 times shoe is it's a brand that they have this DNA that if you wear it, your performance will multiply. So 2 times shoe. So
So in other words,
yeah.
there will be a double the performance. This is both apparel and
Just
shoes.
apparel, no
Apparel.
shoes.
Okay. So, yung po going back to Sir Worship, yung pong next leg niyo po, I understand, will be by where and when?
So our next leg po will be in Baguio City naman on July 26. So this race naman, there's a 2 kilometers still para speed and endurance still, pero there will be up to 21 kilometers. So there will be more people who will be doing endurance as well. But at the same time, meron pa rin tayong relays. So mayroong sprints, semi-sprints, middle distance, and up to half marathon.
So, so basically, ano ba, since this is going to be a series, yung nag-participate ko ba nung first leg, automatic and how do we determine will there be an overall champion, will there be an individual overall or team champion? Kasi 3 legs yan eh. Meaning, these guys will be also competing in Baguio and perhaps also competing, How do you determine the winners or just individual overall team and leg winners? Just for clarification.
So definitely, we would also still invite them. Hopefully, available sila sa Baguio leg natin. And then so there will be a pointing system. Because we have parang if they join per leg, so in accumulation of points. And then if for this year, kasi I think we have set three legs for now. So yung after a total of accumulation, there will be an overall champion per point. So in-accumulate natin.
Okay, maraming salamat.